Hi, today we are going to talk about how to make a field mandatory in Tracket. So let's log into Tracket using System Administrator account. Once we logged into Tracket, click on this hamburger sign and then we have to click on configuration and then we have to select form definitions and then we have to select form customization. Here we have to select the first option primary application forms and then we have to filter it with ticket forms and then we have to click on new. We have to select here module, so we are selecting here as ticket and then we have to copy the form from default form. So let's select the default form and we can give any name. I'm here giving test and click on save. Once the form is open, here we can see there are very limited fields that can be made as a mandatory. So for example, I'm taking here status as a field which we can make this as a mandatory. So under field properties, we have to look for required tab and we have to turn this to true from false and hit enter on your keyboard. And we can see there is a asterisk mark just right after the status word. It means it is mandatory now. So let's click on save. Here we can see the form is saved now and we can go here again and then click on go back. Again we have to click on form customization and then assign forms to the groups. So we can assign this form to the respective group. So currently I logged into system admin group. So I am just about to assign the new created form to this group. So my form was test. So I am just selecting the test and hit save. Once the form is assigned to the respective group, let's log out from the Tracket and log back in and check. Click on new and then click on ticket. So here we can see status is marked as mandatory now. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.